convert 20201 base 3 to base 10. Solution. Then the first thing to write out the number 20201. What base? Base 3. Now the next thing is for you to assign values from the last number. 0, then next number 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's write out the expanding form. That's the next step. 2 times 3 raised power what? 4. Then plus 0 times 3 raised power what? 3. Plus 2 times 3 raised to the power of what? 2. Plus 0 times 3 raised to the power of what? 1. Then plus 1 times 3 raised to the power of what? 0. Now, we have 2 times, what is 3 raised to the power of 4? That is 81. Plus, this is a term with 0. Then it will become what? 0. Plus 2 times what? 3 raised to the power 2 is what? 9. This is a term with 0. Now this term will become 0. Plus 3 raised to the power 0, 1. Now, 2 times 81, 162. Plus 0 plus what? 2 times 9, 18. Then we have plus 0 plus 1. 1 times 1 is 1. Now, 162 plus 18, that will give us 180. 162 plus 0, that's 162 plus 18, 180 plus 0, 180 plus 1. Then we have what? 181. And what base? Base 10. That is the answer to the question.